I have told you that there are practical purposes, practical applications of lens. Just I have told you that a palmist can read the lines of a hand using lens. We use lens in camera so as to focus the image. So, what is image and how the image formation takes place using lenses, that's the purpose of today's video. If you want to learn, be with me till the end of this video. So, what is image? Image is a point where at least two rays, it means we can see the image of this pen when light rays fall on it. All these light rays, after passing through the body, when it enters in our eyes, image is formed. It means I want to teach you that image is formed when all the light rays meet at a point. But how will we form image? Image will be formed where we have to join only two rays. At least two rays meet at a point. That point is known as image. So as to form image using convex and concave lens, there are certain rules. Mainly three rules are there for image formation using convex lens and concave lens. First rule is that if a ray of light is parallel to principal axis, this one is our x dash y dash. I have told you that x dash y dash represent our principal axis. So this is a ray which is parallel to principal axis. A ray which is parallel to principal axis, after refraction passes through a point known as principal focus. So rays that is parallel to principal axis, it becomes passing through focus. Same is the case with concave lens. This is the aperture, this is the center of optical center, and this one is principal axis x dash y dash. If there is a ray that is parallel to principal axis, after refraction, it, due to its nature, that nature is diverging nature, so it will not moving towards the principal axis, it will diverge in such a way when we produce it in backward direction, it appears to come from principal focus. It means here rays after reflection passes through focus. Here rays after refraction, it was initially parallel to principal axis. Okay, and this ray appear to coming from principal focus. That is our rule number 1. It can be learned using parallel to focus. Actually focus, appear to focus. Converging nature, diverging nature. Now rule number 2. This is our convex lens and this is aperture. This is our principal axis of the lens, x dash, y dash. Optical center. If there is a ray that is passing through optical center, see, optical center, it goes straight without any bending, without any deviation. Now, learning the same about concave lens. Concave lens, principal focus, aperture, cutting at a point, that is optical center, x dash, y dash. If there is a ray which is passing through optical center, it goes straight. So this case is exactly similar in these two. It means if it is passing through say C, then it goes straight without any deviation, without any bending. So it was rule number 2. Now rule number 3. This is the easiest one, so I am rubbing it. If passing through C goes straight, the result is same. Either we are dealing with convex or with concave. Now third rule. Third rule is, if a ray is passing through focus, after refraction it becomes parallel. So as to differentiate between convex and concave lens, you have to focus here. This is our principal axis, x dash, y dash. This is aperture of the lens. This is optical center. If a ray is passing through principal focus, after passing through lens, it becomes parallel to principal axis. It means it was passing through focus and now it becomes parallel to principal axis. Learning the same concept about concave lens. Concave lens, it is aperture and this one is principal axis. And what about this? Optical center. If I told you, if a ray is passing through focus, it means if a ray which appear to pass through focus, it means if it will go straight, it will pass through focus. Appear to pass through focus, as it passes concave lens, it becomes parallel. So makes the difference between convex and concave here. When a ray of light actually passing through F becomes parallel. Appear to pass through F means it is not actually passing. There it appears to pass through F. After passing through lens, it becomes parallel. So I have told you 3 rules regarding image formation using convex and concave lens. These rules can be tabulated in this way. That is, before reflection must be, and after refraction. If it is passing through focus, it becomes parallel. If it is passing through C, it goes straight. Now take its inverse case. If it is parallel to principal axis, it will pass through principal focus. So learn these 3 rules so as to make image using convex or concave lens. So for image formation, we have to use only 2 rays. Only 2 rays. At least means we will use only 2 rays to make image by using convex or a concave lens. So in next video, I am going to teach you how image formation takes place using convex lens. Till then, goodbye.